A farmer lost his precious watch in a hay barn. No matter how much he searched, he couldn't find it. He asked some children for help and promised a reward to whoever found it. The children searched for the watch but couldn't find it. Then a little boy went into the barn alone. After a while, he came out holding the watch. The farmer, astonished, asked him how he had managed to find it. The boy replied, "I didn't do much. I just sat quietly on the ground and listened. In complete silence, I could hear the ticking of the watch. I followed the sound and found it." Solving problems requires a calm and peaceful mind.